The United States has one of the most influential and dynamic stock markets globally, attracting millions of share market lovers, from beginners to seasoned investors. These enthusiasts aim to grow their wealth by investing in companies across various sectors. However, with opportunities come risks, and making safe investments requires knowledge, analysis, and right platforms. How to make safe investments in the US stock market? First, diversification. Spread investments across different sectors like technology, healthcare, consumer goods, and asset types. Diversification reduces risk because losses in one sector can be balanced by gains in another. Second, investing in blue chip stocks. Blue chip companies like Apple, Microsoft, and Johnson & Johnson have a history of stability and consistent returns. These companies are typically part of major stock indexes like the S&P 500, ensuring reliable performance over time. Third, using dollar cost averaging (DCA). This strategy involves investing a fixed amount regularly, regardless of market conditions. DCA reduces the impact of market volatility and is suitable for long term investors. Fourth, analyzing financial statements. Study key metrics such as revenue, profit, margin, and earnings reports. Use platforms like Yahoo Finance, Bloomberg, and CNBC for comprehensive financial data. Fifth, following market trends and news. Stay updated with economic indicators such as GDP growth, unemployment rates, and interest rate changes. Use reliable news sources like MarketWatch, CNBC, and Bloomberg. Analyzing the best share market platforms using US stock market indexes. To find the best platforms for trading, investors often analyze them through the lens of key US stock market indexes. Each index represents a different segment of the economy and provides insights into market performance. First, S&P 500, that is Standard & Poor's 500. What it represents: 500 of the largest publicly traded companies in the US platforms analyzes through S&P 500. Look for platforms offering direct S&P 500 index funds or ETFs with low fees. Analyze platform tools for tracking large cap stocks and providing historical performance charts. Second, Dow Jones Industrial Average (DJIA). What it represents: 30 major US companies, often called blue chip stocks. Platform analyze through DJIA. The best platforms offer stock screeners, financial news updates, and performance comparisons for DJIA stocks. Examples include E-Trade and TD Ameritrade, known for their robust analysis tools. Third, Nasdaq Composite. What it represents: more than 3,000 companies, mainly from the technology sector. Platform analysis through Nasdaq. Choose platforms with detailed analytics on tech stocks, and real-time Nasdaq tracking. Platforms like Robinhood and Webull are popular for their user-friendly interfaces and real-time market data. Fourth, Russell 2000. What it represents. 2000 small cap US companies. Platform analysis through Russell 2000. Small cap investors should choose platforms offering in depth fundamental analysis, earnings reports, and growth projections. Interactive Brokers IBKR and Think or Swim by TD Ameritrade excel in this area. Fifth, Wilshire 5000 Total Market Index. What it represents. Nearly all publicly traded US companies. Platform analysis through Wilshire 5000. Look for platforms providing comprehensive market coverage, sector heat maps, and ETF comparisons. Fidelity and Vanguard offer excellent tools for total market index analysis. Platform features to consider for safe investment. To ensure safe investments, US share market lovers should choose platforms with the following: regulation and security. Platforms regulated by the Securities and Exchange Commission and members of FINRA, Financial Industry Regulatory Authority. Educational resources, webinars, tutorials, and investment simulations for beginner to advanced investors. Analytical tools, advanced charting tools, real-time data, and algorithmic trading features. Low fees. Look for zero commission trading for stocks and ETFs. Popular and trusted US stock market platforms. First, Vanguard. Best for long-term and retirement investors. Second, Charles Schwab. Ideal for research tools and no-fee index funds. Third, TD Ameritrade. Thinkorswim. Great for advanced trading tools and technical analysis. Fourth, Robinhood. Suitable for beginners with a simple interface and zero commission. Fifth, Interactive Brokers, preferred by professional traders for global market access and low margin rates. Now let's see the conclusion. For share market lovers in America, success lies in a combination of knowledge, strategy, and the right tools. Safe investing involves diversification, understanding market trends, and choosing secure, feature-rich platforms. Analyzing platforms through major US stock market indexes like the S&P 500, Nasdaq, and Dow Jones can help investors align their strategies with the market performance. With careful planning and continuous learning, they can achieve both safety and growth in their investment journey.